So welcome to Joseph's Primary School in Galbally. We've just finished our most recent pathway this morning. And we're going to do a quick demo of how it all came together. So as our children come to school in the morning, we have our beautiful smell of flowers to help our children regulate and to help manage anxiety on arrival in school. Then our primary six can join our pathway eating our logs. And finally, we've got this positive start to the day. One down the pathway. Our children can step across to join the pathway here. We just leave up into key stage 2 upstairs. Tiffany panels, we come down, we have our job in spots, we have our jump class, and we have our standing leg. Again, allow our children to work through number activity stations, spin, squat station, big squat band, big pressure, pop, furlongs, pick up scotch jumps, big pressure fit for children. We're going to tiptoe again, checking for balance, tiptoe across. And we're going to slide out. So this leads up to our playground. So again, helps our children on transitions in school play, and we'll go into play and learning back out to play. We step across into our reading room, and we can join again our pathway from here, balancing our lily pad steps, coming down the corridor again, testing our balance. We might do a activity station as well. We've got a jump jump. Again, checking our balance, coordination as well.
But then you want too much.
And coming down the log as well.
The part is we might get.
And again, you can connect the pathway into our classroom here or back to the main entrance. Step across stage 2. And we can rejoin. Look left and right. And we can back down the water again.